Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get Netflix completely for free. So please do watch the video till the end, otherwise you won't be able to avail this offer. And let's begin. So if I search for Netflix free trial and go over to the official website of Netflix's, you can see it's mentioned that Netflix does not offer free trials, but you have the freedom to change your plan or cancel online at any time if you decide Netflix isn't for you. Now, in order to get Netflix for free, just search for T-Mobile free Netflix and then open up this site here. Before we move further, I just want to let you know that the offer is only available in some regions, and if it's available in your region, you can check it from here and avail your subscription. Now, once you're on this page, simply select your region, and then all the steps will be provided to you that how you can get a free Netflix's subscription. So this is basically how you can get Netflix for free. So if you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.